I did a few more coats and it looks a lot better, but still it looks gloppy. But we're gonna use the smoothing solution afterwards. But we're trying to get enough coats to at least cover the black. Okay, I'm making this review of my Tesla. Somebody scratched my bumper when I was in the Trader Joe's parking lot, and they basically scraped the back of my car and took the paint off. So I watched some YouTube videos that said, oh, I should get the Tesla paint touch-up kit and it should match. So this is what I got. This Tesla paint repair kit that I ordered from my Tesla app. It cost $75. It's non-refundable. And unfortunately, I'm very unhappy with the results because this is what it looks like. The paint color does not match at all. It's very bluish in color. I followed the instructions, and so it comes with this in the kit. Comes with this little thing of paint that is matched to your car color, because on the app it doesn't even let you order a different color, so it has to be the exact color that matches, supposed to match. But I mean, you can even see kind of like here, it's much darker than my car color. So when it goes on, it looks like this bluish white, totally not the white of my car. And then I use the brush that comes with to apply it, so it's hard to make the video. And then there's this chemical you can use to kind of blend the edges so it looks smooth, which it does blend, but obviously you can't blend something that's a different color, so that doesn't make sense at all. And then this, if you look at this part, this is a paint that I bought from Amazon. And this is what it looks like, and it only cost $10. Okay, I bought this little paint touch-up kit from Amazon, and this is $10, and I put it up here, and you can see that color matches much better. I'm gonna put some polish on it, hopefully afterwards, to get it to glow, but you can see the color of that is much closer than the color of this. So I didn't want to do a big spot because in case that didn't match, but this $10 stick is much better than the $75 Tesla kit. And unfortunately, I called Tesla customer service, and they made an appointment for me to go to the dealer or the service center to check if maybe the paint was mismatched. But after I made the appointment on the app and talked to customer service, the service center in Santa Monica, I'll put the locations of these places, called me back to cancel my appointment to tell me that that is not what they do. And on top of that, they said your paint is non-refundable. And so I'm stuck with this mismatched paint from Tesla, paid $75 and not getting the result I want. So instead, I'm using this $10 Amazon product that matches better and looks better. Then if you can kind of, I'll zoom out, but you can kind of see. Kind of very disappointed in the customer service with Tesla, and also disappointed in how they handled it. After I sent them pictures of this, of how mismatched the paint is, they still are not willing to help. And then surprisingly enough, my husband had service guy come. So on a separate note, a service guy came for some other thing, and I showed him this, and they were like, yep, that paint is wrong. So even a different service guy from Tesla here said that that paint does not match. But just disappointed that Tesla hasn't helped me at all, and I paid them $75 for them to give me the wrong product. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know who scraped my car and also caused the damage, but I'm just gonna do my best and touch it up with the Amazon paint that I have, and then I'll post a picture of the final results and not using Tesla's paint. So if I am reviewing Tesla's paint repair kit, I give it 0 stars, or 1 star, I guess, for not being good, and their service definitely 0 stars for being super unhelpful. So planning on putting that as a review. But anyways, trying to take better care of my car, and my daughter actually just washed it, so the front of it looks very nice and clean. I'll show you guys this. So overall, the car looks great except for the scratch. Yeah, so hopefully I can fix that up and everything will be okay. Thanks for listening. Okay, this is what it looks like now, but look how much better it looks. You could hardly see the scratch. Yes, my car's a little bit dirty, but I'm definitely happy with the Amazon paint. And then here's my car. But overall, the $10 Amazon paint was better than the Tesla $95 paint kit that didn't really work. And I would say, unfortunately, I'm very disappointed in the customer service. When I called Tesla, they didn't even offer to send new paint or give me a refund. It was just like, too bad, you bought this paint and it's non-refundable. And that's what it paint that I used below. Yeah, because they're black, but then they scratch really easily. Okay, doing a quick rinse. Looking pretty good.